In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video with pictures and music in CapCut. We're going to walk through the whole process from start to finish. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple folder of photos into a polished video with background music. First, open the CapCut app on your device. On the main screen, tap on New Project. This is where every edit begins. CapCut will open your gallery, showing all the photos and videos available on your phone or tablet. Now, select the pictures you want to include in your video. You can tap on each photo one by one, and you'll see them start to line up at the bottom of the screen in the order you tap them. If you want them to appear in a specific sequence, make sure you tap them in that order. When you're happy with your selection, tap Add to bring them into your project. You'll now see a timeline at the bottom with all of your photos in a row. Each photo is given a default duration, usually a couple of seconds. You can adjust how long each one stays on screen by tapping on a photo in the timeline and dragging its edge to make it shorter or longer. Take a moment here to play back your project and see how the pacing feels. If it's too fast, extend some of the clips. If it's dragging, trim a few down. Next, let's add your music. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Audio. Then choose where you want to get your music from. You can use music from CapCut's own library, or select a song from your device. Once you've found the track you want, tap it and then tap Use or Add to drop it into your timeline. The audio track will appear underneath your photos. Press play to preview how the music matches your visuals. If the song is longer than your video, you can trim it by tapping on the audio clip and dragging the end to line up with the last photo. If you'd like the music to fade out smoothly, tap on the audio. Look for the fade options and add a short fade at the end. Finally, when everything looks and sounds right, tap on the export button at the top, usually an arrow pointing up. Choose your resolution and frame rate if needed. Then tap Export. CapCut will process your project and save the finished video to your device, ready to share on social media or with friends and family.